topic for this video is about ratio and proportion. First, let's define ratio. Ratio came from the ancient Greek word logos, which means reason. Ratio is the relationship between two numbers, indicating how many times the first number contains the second number. Ratios may either be whole or fraction. For example, if a gym bag contains 9 baseballs and 4 tennis balls, then the ratio of baseball and tennis balls is 9:4. Or if we write it 9 colon 4, or simply 9/4. Next is proportion. Proportion is an equation with a ratio on its side. It is a statement where two ratios are equal. Here are some exercises that can help us understand ratio and proportion. Example number 1. In a bag of red and yellow balls, the ratio of red to yellow is 2:3. If the bag contains 120 yellow balls, how many red balls are there? Step 1. We assign the variable. Let x be the red balls. Step 2. We change the ratio into fraction, meaning red over yellow is equal to 2:3 equals x over 120. Step 3. We solve the equation. In order to solve the equation, we must cross multiply, meaning 2 times 120 is equals to 3 times x. And that is equals to 240 equals 3x. Step 4. We must isolate x. We can isolate x by dividing both sides by 3. 240 divided by 3 is equals to 3x divided by 3. Therefore, x is equals to 80. The answer is there are 80 red balls in the bag. Example number 2. There are 900 students in a playground and the ratio of boys to girls is 4:5. How many boys and how many girls are there? Step 1. We assign the variables. Let x be the common factor. Boys is equals to 4x and girls is equals to 5x. Step 2. That can be written as 4x plus 5x is equals to 900. To get the value of x, we divide both sides by 9. So x is equals to 100. Step 3. We substitute the value of x. 4 times 100 is equals to 400. 5 times 100 is equals to 500. The answer is there are 400 boys and 500 girls in the playground. Third example. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:3:8. Find the measures of the three angles of this triangle. Just like what we did in the second example, we must assign the variables, meaning the measures of these angles can be written as x, 3x, and 8x. Also, remember that the sum of the three interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. And that can be written as x plus 3x plus 8x is equals to 180. Now, let us solve for x. 12x is equals to 180. Then, we divide both sides by 12. X is equals to 15. Now that we have the value of x, let us substitute it to the three angles. X is equals to 15 degrees. 3x is equals to 3 times 15 equals 45 degrees. 8x is equals to 8 times 15 equals 120 degrees. To verify our answers, let us add the three angles. 15 plus 45 plus 20 is equals to 180. Our fourth example is an example of a proportion. What is 35% of 150? The percent is 35 and the whole is 150. We are looking for the part. Step 1. We create an equation. Part over 150 is equals to 35 over 100. Step 2. We cross multiply. 150 times 35 is equals to 5,250. Step 3. We divide 5,250 to 100. 5,250 divided by 100 is equals to 52.5. The answer is, the 35% of 150 is 52.5. Our last example is also about proportion. Number 5. What value of n will make this a proportion? 9 over 15 is equals to n over 20. Step 1. We cross multiply. 16 times n is equals to 20 times n. And that is equals to 15n equals to 180. Step 2. We divide both sides by 15. 15n divided by 15 is equals to 118 divided by 15. And the value of our n is equals to 12. To verify our answers, let us substitute the value of n. 9 over 15 is equal to 12 over 20. 15 times 12 is equal to 180, while 20 times 9 is equal to 180.